So Tuesday, this past Tuesday, got done working for the day in the big truck. You know, all is good, right? And I get in and my hands are sticking to my steering wheel cover. Well, the most logical thing would be to go and buy a new one. But no, not me. Not me. No. So let's clean the steering wheel cover. First, let me show you this nasty thing. So I'm thinking, oh my God, I have the filthiest hands on the planet, right? And then I look at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, how gross. Look at that. It's supposed to be that color and it's brown. So we're going to clean it. We're just going to give it a good wipe down. And I thought, you know what? This would be a good job for a Moe towel. So I have me a towel. I have my bucket of Green Star diluted. And so I wet this towel down. Gross. The color is coming back. The color's coming back. Look at that. Yay. Gross. I guess I don't realize how dirty my job can be. And it's cleaning up pretty quickly. Oh my God. Chris, you just be nasty. Oh, Lord. Sheesh. Okay, now I got me a Moe towel. We're gonna dry it up. I mean, it's not gonna be fully dry, it's cloth. Heck yeah. Look at there, the color came back. Now it's nice and pretty. Look at that, the color came back. It's looking much, much better. We should have solved the sticky. So, these cloth steering wheel covers, they can be cleaned. For the most part, it's pretty clean. Look at that. That came out really nice. Brought that color back. Yeah. Much, much better. And these Moe towels, I really like them. I know I'm some kind of weirdo. My Moe towels. And with all of this, it's time for me to do my final thoughts review on the Moe towels. Now, these are the towels that are from Moe Nation. And I really like these. And I think you knew that when you saw my first video. They're just so thick. They're so absorbent and strong. They're strong. And they're not thin. You can't see through them. These are really good towels. I just really, really like the towels. I've used them several times since I got them. They do a wonderful job of cleaning. They do a wonderful job of, just like in this situation, this is a cloth. And in this situation, it does a really good job of absorbing the excess moisture. So definitely, I would hope that you all would at least go and get you a 10-pack and give them a try. I believe the 10-pack is $9.99 and the 25-pack is $25, if I remember right. But definitely give them a try. And, you know, don't hesitate to let me know what you think. We can always use towels. And the one thing that I like about these towels, I can use these inside the car and I can use these on the outside of the car. These are soft enough and plush enough that I can use these on rinseless washes. I can use these to dry. I can use these for really anything. And I think that's what I like about them, is they absorb, you know, like it just rained. And if I wanted, I could have taken this to the exterior and been able to wipe this vehicle down. Of course, I'm not going to, because I would prefer just to do a rinseless, but I really like what it does. I like the versatility and I like the durability. So I hope that you guys will definitely give them a try. Mo, you did a wonderful job finding these. I'm definitely gonna be adding some more. I really like these. The orange ones are just the same. I don't know, maybe you can put a note. Maybe you're an orange freak like Mr. Carlos. And yeah, just tell Mo, send me 10 orange ones. Or if you're a blue kind of person, just like me, which I love blue and teal, you could probably ask him if he just sends you all teal or all blue. So anyway, the Moe towels are great. And the steering wheel cover looks much, much better. You see that? I'm so happy because I wasn't buying me a new one. I just bought this one a year ago. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for hanging out on my channel. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.